In this video, you'll learn how to change your name on the OKX Wallet. By following these straightforward steps, you will successfully update your profile information in the app or web version of the wallet. To begin, open the OKX Wallet application on your mobile device or navigate to the OKX web wallet on your preferred browser. If prompted, enter your login credentials to access your account. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will facilitate a smooth login process. Once you are logged in, locate your profile icon. In the web version, this icon is situated at the top right corner of the screen. If you're using the app, you will find it at the top left corner. Tap on this icon to access your account settings. After tapping, a menu will appear with several options. Next, look for the option labeled Account Settings or Personal Info in the menu. Select this option to proceed to the settings page. Here, you will see various details related to your account, including your current name, which you will be able to edit. After accessing the settings, find your current name displayed on the screen. Next to it, you should see an edit button. Tap this button to initiate the name change process. Once you tap edit, a text field will open, allowing you to enter your new name. Make sure to input the name exactly as you wish it to appear, as this will be your display name moving forward. Once you've entered your new name, confirm the change by tapping the appropriate button, usually labeled submit or save. At this point, OKX may require you to complete identity verification in order to approve the name change. This could involve uploading a form of identification or a selfie. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this verification process. After submission, your new name will be updated once OKX has approved it. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.